Whether you're looking for help with retirement planning, tax strategy, or just want a second opinion on your investments, paying an advisor by the hour could be the perfect solution. So, let's break it down. In this video, we'll discuss what you can expect to pay, why hourly advice is growing in popularity, and how it can actually save you money in the long run. Let's start with why more and more people are choosing hourly financial advisors. If you're someone who prefers to handle their investments themselves but still want expert advice, an hourly advisor might be your best bet. Here are some key benefits. First, you only pay for the services you need. Whether you're looking for help with retirement planning, tax strategy, or a quick portfolio review, you only pay for the advice you need when you need it. Second, you stay in control of your investments. Unlike traditional advisors who might manage your portfolio, you get to maintain full control. Third, no hidden fees or long-term commitments. With an hourly advisor, you know exactly what you're paying for up front. Finally, there's flexibility. You can consult with an advisor as often or as little as you need to make sure you're on track with your financial goals. Hourly financial advisors are perfect for DIY investors or anyone looking for a one-time or occasional checkup without paying for ongoing management. Now let's talk numbers. What does an hourly financial planner actually charge? The cost can vary widely depending on a few factors, such as experience. Advisors with certifications, like the CFP designation, and years of experience tend to charge more due to their expertise. Location. If you're in a high-cost area, like New York City or San Francisco, rates might be higher compared to smaller towns. Services offered: comprehensive financial planning, which covers everything from debt to cash flow to investments and taxes, will typically cost more than a one-hour consultation for a specific issue. If you're seeking advice from a certified financial planner, you're looking at a higher rate because of the rigorous certification and expertise they bring to the table. Typically, CFP's hourly rates range between $250 and $500 per hour. They have gone through extensive training, passed tough exams, and adhere to a strict code of ethics. When you hire a CFP, you're getting top-notch advice across all areas of your financial life, from investments to taxes to retirement planning. It's a great way to ensure that every part of your financial plan is working together for your future. Now let's address the big question: is hourly financial advice really worth it? The answer? Absolutely, for the right situations. Here are a few examples of when paying an advisor by the hour can make perfect sense. Tax strategy. Consulting an advisor before year-end can help you minimize your tax bill and save you thousands. Retirement planning. Need a solid plan to make sure your savings last through retirement? An hourly advisor can help you map it out. Investment review. Wondering if your portfolio is aligned with your goals? A one-time review can provide peace of mind without an ongoing commitment. Smaller portfolios. If you don't meet the minimum requirements of traditional advisors, sometimes $500,000 or $1 million or more to invest, an hourly advisor is a great option to still get professional guidance. Or you want to keep more of what's yours and avoid those hefty ongoing asset management fees. One of the best parts about paying hourly? You get exactly the advice you need without handing over control of your portfolio or committing to a long-term contract. Over time, this can lead to some pretty significant cost savings. So how much could you save compared to paying a percentage of your assets annually? Let's look at two examples. Example 1, $500,000 portfolio over 20 years. Let's assume your portfolio grows at 8% annually, and your advisor charges a 1% AUM fee. In 20 years, you could pay around $400,000 in fees. On the other hand, if you hire an hourly advisor at $250 to $500 an hour and need 4 hours of advice per year over 20 years, you would pay only $20,000 to $40,000 in fees. That's a savings of over $350,000. Example 2, $1 million portfolio over 30 years. At a 1% AUM fee, you could pay over $2.4 million in fees over 30 years. However, if you pay an hourly advisor $250 to $500 per hour for 4 hours of advice per year, you'd only pay $30,000 to $60,000 over those 30 years. That's a savings of over $2.3 million that you can keep and invest. So, how do you go about choosing the right hourly advisor for you? Here are a few key questions to ask before making your decision. What is your hourly rate? What are your qualifications? How many years of experience do you have? Can you give me an estimate of how many hours my financial plan will take? What's your investment philosophy? Be upfront about your needs and your budget. Many advisors offer free consultations, so take advantage of that to see if they're a good fit for your financial goals. You can also check out directories like XY Planning Network, where you can filter for hourly-based financial advisors. Choosing an hourly financial advisor offers transparency, flexibility, and control over your financial planning. You know exactly what you're paying for, and you get expert advice when it matters most. If you're ready to learn more about how hourly financial planning can help you reach your financial goals, schedule a free consultation at thehourlyadvisor.com.